Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Christina Lake in southern British Columbia is known for its calm waters and long, warm summers. Often called one of the warmest tree-lined lakes in the province, it sits near the boundary between the Okanagan and the Kootenay regions. The lake stretches out in a gentle curve, surrounded by low mountains and forests, creating a setting that feels both open and protected. Long before it became a destination for visitors, this area was part of the traditional territory of the Ktunaxa Nation. The lake and surrounding land were used for fishing, hunting, and seasonal travel. Trails connected different parts of the region, and the natural resources here supported generations of indigenous life. European settlement began to increase in the late 1800s as prospectors and homesteaders moved into the boundary country during periods of mining exploration and expansion. While Christina Lake itself was never a major mining center, it benefited from its proximity to nearby communities such as Grand Forks. As mining activity grew in the surrounding hills, supply routes and small settlements began to develop. The lake became a natural stopping point, offering water, shelter, and a quieter place away from the more intense pace of mining towns. In the early 1900s, transportation routes helped shape the area's future. The construction of the Kettle Valley Railway connected communities across southern British Columbia, passing not far from the lake. This railway made it easier for people and goods to move through the region, encouraging further settlement and small-scale tourism. By the mid-1900s, Christina Lake began to develop a reputation as a summer retreat. Families built cabins along the shoreline, returning year after year to enjoy the warm water and relaxed pace. Unlike some larger resort areas, development here remained relatively modest, preserving the natural character of the lake and its surroundings. The lake itself plays a central role in shaping the local environment. Its relatively shallow depth allows it to warm up more than many other lakes in the province, making it especially appealing during the summer months.
Thank you very much.
The surrounding forests and hills provide habitat for wildlife, and the clear water supports fish species that have long been part of the area's ecosystem. Christina Lake has also faced its share of natural challenges. Like much of the region, it has been affected by wildfires over the years, as well as changing weather patterns. These events have shaped how the community approaches land use and conservation, balancing the desire for recreation with the need to protect the environment. Today, Christina Lake remains a place where people come to slow down and reconnect with nature. The shoreline, dotted with homes and small beaches, reflects decades of quiet growth. Nearby trails and open spaces offer ways to explore beyond the water, while the surrounding region continues to reflect its history of settlement, travel, and adaptation.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!